Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to see the leaked build of Windows 11 Pro. As you can see the watermark there. Now this leaked build of Windows 11 Pro is build 21996 and I am so excited to show you the features. Okay, so let's get started now. Now the biggest change of all is the new start button. Microsoft has completely rechanged the start button. Okay. Now if you click on the start button, it would show the Windows 10X start menu, which is same to same as Windows 10X, I think. Now if you click on all apps, it would show all your apps and more. Okay, these are recommended. Now there are some changes in app icons. As you can see, the file explorer icon has been completely redesigned. Films and TV tips and all those applications. There are 3D icons. Microsoft told this is the 3D icons. So we will get even more better 3D icons in the future. Now the search bar has been removed in here. As you can see, the user icon and the power button has been moved to the downside of the start menu. As you can see, to access the search menu, you need to click on the search bar, search icon, and you can search whatever you want. Okay, these are the changes in start menu. Now there is a change in settings app. The icons of the categories have been changed, as you can see, which look 3D and more colorful and more attractive. Like that, you will get this top access bar. You can access your Microsoft account, Windows update, and recommended browser settings from here. Okay, these are changes in settings app. Now there's new wallpaper for Windows 11, as you can see here in the background. And it's very 3D and colorful. Microsoft has designed this like this. Okay, now the third change is that news and interest. Now I made a review video on Windows 10 inside a preview build 21370, in which you would get the news and updates widget on taskbar. Now that feature is changed to the icons in Windows 11. When you click on it, it would show all the news and updates. Okay, now my internet connection is slow, that's why it's gonna take a while to show all the news and updates. But anyways, the news and widgets option here, which was in here in Windows 10, now it has been moved to here. So these were the features, and then there are changes in file manager as well. Now in the file manager, you will get this new local disk C icon. As you can see, the Windows logo is now only Microsoft logo. I'm gonna show you the WinRAR as well. When we go to the WinRAR here, as you can see, this is the Windows 11 Pro Dev OS build 21996, and the logo has been changed, guys. As you can see here, so the logo has been changed, and the file manager has this new 3D colorful icons. Now these icons were also introduced in Windows 10 build 21370, but they are also available in Windows 11 as well, which is quite good. And another change here is when you open applications, there are curved edges. As you can see here, you can notice here, as you can see, there are curved edges which make the app design more colorful and attractive. So there are curved edges in the applications. So yeah, they're okay. And another big change is that new action center. As you can see, the toggles color has been changed to this blue color, and the Wi-Fi menu has been changed as well. And another change is that in the Microsoft Store, the loading animation has been changed. As you can see, here you go. And then as you can see, the Microsoft Store here, the size of these apps are changed to smaller so that you can see them properly. And the settings menu has been also changed here. Some features were added or removed. So these are the features of Windows 11. Now another big change is that new sounds. Let me show you. When you adjust the sound, I don't know if you heard that sound or not, but anyways, this is the sound. Let me show you again. I think you heard it. Now there are also new sounds introduced in Windows 11. Now when we go to sounds, you can play any sound you can want. Asterisk, this one, this one. As you can see, these are new sounds in Windows 10, and there is also the new startup sound as well. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, these are the features in Windows 11. There are only this much of features. Now these features are very useful in daily life, I know, but the main question is how you can download this leaked version of Windows 11 Pro and install it. Well, don't worry guys, I will give you the download link of this Windows 11 Pro leaked build in the description box and in the pinned comment section, okay, so that you can easily download it and install it in a virtual machine. Now if your PC is running in a old hardware, don't install this operating system, because the minimum requirements for Windows 11 is at least 6 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte hard disk. If you have only 4 GB RAM or 100 GB SSD or hard disk, don't install it now, because it is not the stable version of Windows 11. Now it is a developer preview, that's why install it in a virtual machine, not in your main PC. I have installed it in a main PC and it is running buttery smooth, but if your hardware should be very latest, okay, so then only install Windows 11. Anyway, for download links of Windows 11, check in the description box below or in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Like this video, give it a big thumbs up so that many recommendations could go to other users and they could also see Windows 11. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy Windows 11, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you very much. Thank you.